What's up, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists, coming to you with another paintless dent repair. It's a 2016 Honda Odyssey minivan with a large dent on the liftgate. The customers had their vehicle parked inside their garage, and FedEx came by and put packages on the outside. So when they opened up the garage door from their house, the packages came and smashed the liftgate. Pretty large, ran up underneath the tag pocket, underneath where the tag bolts, and it had 3 impact points right on the body line. Kind of dark, deep, dark section. A lot of crownage on the underside. Didn't look like it was going to be stretched, but let's go check this repair out. See if we can get this thing out. So in this repair, we did use a process called cold glue. And what cold glue is a sticky substance from a company called Glexco. Stick it on the panel, no heat needed. Slowly pull the bulk of the dent out. You want to relieve some of that pressure. Then we work the crowned areas. Throughout this repair, you can see that we are using glue, hot glue, cold glue. It's a lot of crown work. So you'll see us using a lot of hammers, a lot of special knockdowns to relieve the pressure of this damage because it was so significant. right, guys. So this repair came out amazing. Customers ecstatic with the outcome. It did take us about 3 hours to do the repair. We did have to remove the interior trim panel to get the dent out. A lot of crownage, some really deep spots. The good thing was there was a little light scratches through it from the package when it hit. We were able to wet sand and buff it out. The customer is extremely happy. You can see the before and after on this repair. We did it without painting, the clean Carfax, and same day repair. So if you need any dent repair, please give us a call or check our website out, rpsdentrepair.com. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. And give us a call if you need anything. See you guys. Keep it real.